Good morning, students. We begin today lecture part 2 of the poem My Mother at 66 in stanza 2. I trust on my students that they would have had a complete understanding of the first part of the poem which we dealt 2 days ago. To enhance your understanding, you can repeat the video lesson until you reach understanding in part number 1 and part number 2. Stanza 2, reading of the poem. But after airport security check, standing a few yards away, I looked again at her, wan, pale as a late winter's moon, and felt that old familiar ache, my childhood fear. So the line explains, security check at the airport is mandatory for all the passengers traveling in air. The mother also being frisked by the authorities of the airport as a protocol. This line also can be viewed deeply. Maybe the poetess wants to convey that the life has many objectives and actions where we need to move on. So the message is moving on. The very security check itself, that life has many obstacles and actions that we should not be obstacled by one event or one thought. The line, that is phrase, the phrase looked again at her has a different connotation. The poetess is looking at the mother before she is to board in the airbus. By looking at her once again, the poetess is reassuring the well-being of her mother in order to comfort her and leave her a hope. Leave her an impression that she is there for her. So you have also words such as in the poem, wan, pale, and also as a winter's moon, and then felt that the familiar ache. Wan means pale in appearance. Pale means the colorless or the light colored face. All these words, dull, weak, pale, and then aged look of the mother is being compared to a late winter's moon, which looks hazy dull in strength and obscure. And this comparison is justified with the mother, and this smile is effective and appropriate, and she lost her vigor of the health at the age of 66. The phrase old familiar ache. The phrase need to be examined closely. The poetess separated her mother quite umpteen times, and every time she is separated her mother, she realized the pain and agony which she is quite familiar to adjust. So it has become a old familiar ache. So maybe examination point of view, this old familiar ache is an important phrase that you need to understand more. Listen it some more time so that you may reach an understanding. And then the next phrase also, my childhood fear. It refers to the fear of separation and the sadness in which the poetess is associated with the thought of losing her mother permanently. Look at the final lines. I read it for you. But all I said was, see you soon, Amma. And all I did was smile and smile and smile. The meaning is, the poetess has to leave the mother, and she has commitments of professional as well as personal. The poetess awares that her mother requires love, respect and affection at the old age. The poetess fails to give her mother in plenty. In order to cover up the pain and separation, she puts on her face a brave friend smile. And she doesn't it many times to hide her fear for the mother. So the very sentence, see you Amma, also has meaning. It refers to a ray of hope that the poetess wants to give for her mother. It is a mutual hope for mother and daughter to hopefully to meet each other in the next time. I hope the entire poem is very much clear to you. Wish you very all the best.